power problems in the instrument building are likely not solely due to an undersized transformer. While the vendor suggests upgrading the transformer to 45 kVA, the root cause appears to be load imbalance. The existing 30 kVA transformer might be sufficient for the total load of 27 kW, but the distribution across the three phases is uneven. Line 1 is carrying 10.7 kW, line 2 is carrying 10.2 kW, and line 3 only has a 6 kW load. This imbalance creates voltage fluctuations and power quality issues on the transformer's secondary side. Simply upsizing the transformer will not solve this imbalance. It provides additional capacity, but doesn't correct the uneven load distribution. To effectively resolve the problems, a multi-pronged approach is necessary. 1. Balance the load. Redistribute the connected equipment across the three phases to ensure each phase carries a similar amount of current. This might involve physically moving some equipment connections or adding additional loads to phase 3. 2. Install a load balancing transformer. A load balancing transformer specifically designed to correct imbalances on a three-phase system can improve power quality by regulating voltage and providing a more stable power supply to the connected equipment. 3. Consider additional transformers. If load balancing doesn't fully resolve the issues, particularly in the future when more equipment is added, consider using multiple smaller transformers to minimize individual load imbalances. 4. Verify transformer connections. Ensure the existing transformer primary and secondary windings are correctly wired according to the manufacturer's instructions. Incorrect wiring can lead to a number of voltage and power-related problems that mimic load imbalance. In conclusion, the power problems are more likely due to load imbalance rather than simply transformer undersizing. Balancing the load across phases, potentially utilizing a load balancing transformer, or using multiple transformers, and verifying all connections will likely provide a more effective solution than only upsizing the existing transformer.